What? What? Oh, here comes the fuck. Honda EU2200i. It's a new version. Has the CO monitor. Has a Bluetooth. You can track your hours and your oil on it. But it still doesn't come with an hour meter that you just can look on. So I bought the cheapest one I could find in red. It stands out. I think I'm going to try that bracket they have. It comes off over here. I do not have it yet. You just put a little bracket that comes down. You could double-sided tape it there as well. Yeah, that's how you wrap it though. What would I do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oh, 6. Maybe I did too many. But at least do like 4 wraps on it. It's the same how I did it on the pressure washer. Then you just zip tie the ends together. And run your wire the way you want it. And now you have an hour meter. This thing's very difficult too to siphon fuel out. I just ran it yesterday to see if it worked, which it does. So I took the screen out just to siphon it out, and there's still fuel in there. So difficult to get out. And it's only like a 0.95 gallon tank or something. Yeah, it's cool for your fridge. It's super small. Super small. And it's just something, another option, inverter, so it's more cleaner than the bigger generator we have. That's the oil, and they actually put the they put a rubber thing on so you can drain it out easier. I want to get a magnetic plug for it as well. Super easy to start. It has a fuel turn-off valve now, but we're not talking about that. We're talking about simply how to rig an hour meter on it. I have a fancier one too that has a tach and the hour meter, but I can't find it, so I just bought another one, and it's gonna go right there. Just to keep track of it easier than using the app on your phone. This one even ran for a minute, so I don't really care about the accurate time on it. Yeah, cool. And there's Mr. B. Mr. B wanted to be in the video too. What the hell are these two doing over here? You killing each other? Oh no, he's killing each other. Maybe he is. They're fighting. They got one in the other lock. That's some weird shit. He ran away now. You got the other guy pinned down. Let's give him like a death bite. I don't know where he went. The bees. No, not the bees. The bees are back though. Oh, you didn't just do that. I hate this place. So, there goes one screw. I don't know where the other one went. Oh, you found it. You found it. You found it. Found it. Thank you, Wind, for screwing up our operation. But this was purchased. Clean power. Somewhat light. Has, hey, there's a bee. Get out of here, bee. It got screwed up in the wind. But it has Bluetooth. You can track it that way, and the CO2 minder. This is when you're running in your house, you know, because that's the proper spot for your generator. But to access the hour meter, you gotta put the app, and my phone doesn't even work for some reason. I don't know why. But they make a bracket. Take off those 2 bolts. I don't want to take out the bolts and put it over here. Not like it blocks your fuel drain. So then you gotta cut this thing. But I got another bracket out that actually moved the whole thing over. But screw those brackets. I saw someone else put it right here to zip tie it. That's what I'm going to do. This is where your air comes into your air filter. Right there. We're going to put some foam on it so it doesn't rattle around. Get out of here, bee. All over this thing. You don't like the wind, they get freaked out. Nyum, 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 nyum. And then they go over here. So that's what I'm going to do. Just zip tie it on. Put some foam back. This was a HARDLINE brand. I had the cheaper Chinese ones. This is made in Indonesia, which is pretty good. Indonesia is better than China. So yeah, I'm impressed with it. Amazon lowered the price. It was $34, and then I bought one, and I was like, that's a lot of money. And then they lowered the price to $29, and I was like, what the hell? So I canceled that order. I bought it. I might buy another one though. I kind of like it. I would buy that again. Yeah, we're just gonna put it right here. Screw the other crap. Taking off these little 8mm, then the torque's not gonna be right. I think it's 3.6 foot-pounds. Right here, zip tie. And maybe a little foam on the back if I can find some. Little zip tie. And you can route it through like this. Route it to the back and then do a loop and come back on this side and it'd work. But the double one's not working because I need that latch. I can't latch it back into this one, I don't think. Maybe I can. Hold on. Around your zip ties is kind of tricky, but I think I figured it out. I just zip tied the two ends together on this side. Gonna cut all that back, it'll look fine. Is this one just too long back here? I thought there was another one that was too long back here, I'm not sure. Maybe not. I think it's fine. That tachometer goes in pretty cool. I mean the hour meter. From previous ones I bought. I would buy one of these again. But yeah, we're just gonna trim that all back, it'll be fine. And trim that back, trim this one back, don't cut any wires in your unit. Yeah, that's in there. Screw that bracket. It looks weird, but cool. Get out of here, B. So that's what we got. We got this thing kind of like that, kind of like this. Hour meter. Get the wire running over here, down, up, over here. To the fuel line, up over there. That's better than that stupid bracket. F that bracket. F that bracket. Yeah, that's where the air comes in over here. There's like a million other spots you can put this thing. Here, probably mount it in the front somewhere. Actually, I just had a proprietary idea. Well, don't want to take that off, but you take off like one of these things, put a little bracket that comes out. Piece of metal, like aluminum, a little bracket. Yep, right on the faceplate. One of these screws, you know, something like that. Stud, something. Boom, plenty of spots. Has a fuel cutoff switch now. Yeah, you want to be access to that drain though. Whoa, beast! Get away out of here. Stealing the show. They won't sting you though, they're friendly beasts. I think so. They haven't yet. They've been here for over the year. Over half a year already. Yeah, that's fine. I like that. That's where your fuel drain comes pee out the bottom. Yeah, way better. Way better. What it looks like. Nah, it doesn't look so bad. You could make your zip ties look better. Wire through here, up through here, plenty of slack on it. My wrap's not the best, I know, but it'll work. It'll work. We're a hack. It'll work. Let's go start it up. Hardline. The cap has a, I put this thing on crooked? No, I didn't. It looks like I put it on crooked. What the hell? This cap goes on weird. That's on. Looks like it's on crooked unless my head's just crooked. There we go. Has to go in on position. See, off position is a vent. Get all this shit out of the way. Yeah, screw that bracket. Let's leave it on. Let's see if we get a reading. Yeah, you can only see it, I know, when the unit's off, but that's fine. You gotta check your oil anyway every time you use it, or you should. Choke forward. And let's see if it starts. Oh, I'm gonna need two hands. Hopefully it doesn't fall off the truck bed. Whoa! Like crazy and it's blinking. Put some tape on it. Jack, does the jack work? No, that's inaccurate. That's inaccurate, really inaccurate. We gotta fix that, pick it up somewhere else. Cool. A fuel shut off. Let's see if it actually works. So quiet. Yeah, it's inaccurate. We're going to have to mess with that though, that wire. That sucks. picking up something bad over here. I know what it is. You see, it's probably too close to the spark plug in. It's probably getting double. There should be a fuel off. Let's see if it stalls. It's so quiet. It's so quiet. I don't even hear it. Hardly. It's like a vacuum cleaner. Yeah, that vibrates too much. And oh, it's more accurate if I move it. Now it's still picking up way too much. Now it's going down now. You see it's too close to the spark plug wire. Now it's more accurate. We gotta rewrap it on the thing. It's running out of gas. So the fuel turn off does work. Or will. We gotta fix that. Come on, run out, run out, run out. I tried this like a day ago. I didn't know what I was doing, but now I know. And I choked this way. Choke is off that other way. Come on, run out of gas. So fuel efficient. It's like my Honda pressure washer. Come on, run out. It's trying. No. Just leave it on the max throttle, maybe. It's gonna rev up anyway. Let it run out. There we go. Finally ran out of fuel. Nice. Alright, now we gotta fix this now because that's not correct. We're gonna wrap this totally differently. We're gonna come around this way and then wrap it the other way. We have it in a loop. It screws it up. Put it in a square. Fixes it. There's too much slack in my wire. Yeah, out of gas. Alright, fixed it. See, now it's good now. Still should straighten that up, but the wire's good. Good. No need to stick a bracket. It looks fine to me, I think. Press down drill. And this thing's awesome. Let's run out of gas again. It's still counting. Oh yeah, we're counting. 0.2. Just kind of breaking it in, playing with it. It's like 12 minutes. Let it run out. And we good. Screw that bracket. That's going back. Good product though. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. It is. It's good. It's way better than the dip flat. It's way better than like this piece of junk style that we put on this thing. China Special. What's that reading? 994. Doesn't really smell. Not really. Some people say the cord vibrates over here, but this one doesn't. Yeah, I just gotta pinch that off. Because, no, that's not gonna be. As long as it is square, it's fine. Yeah, way better. Put some foam around it. Cool. Hey, B, get out of here, B. They got a CO2 thing too. Let's just crank it up. Sounds cool too. It's like 100 out. The exhaust smokes a little bit. There's probably oil on it or something. Like when it's off, you get a little ch-ch-ch. There's probably cosmoline on it. Yeah, we're gonna check our oil, but not needed. Yeah, it does work though. That's cool. So I'm probably just gonna put a piece of foam behind it and call it good. But happy with the outcome of this without having to use that stupid bracket. Don't use the bracket. There's creatively wrap zip ties around that. That's the way to go. Or you can even stick it if you want, like a strong piece of Velcro, but it's crooked. Let's see if we can put the cover on. The cover should clear. I didn't even check this yet. See, this one has a rubber foot to dump the oil at. It has no drain. It's like a lawnmower in and out the way it came. Oh, don't tell me you're not going to close now. No, it's going to close. I don't have the leg on. Good. Yeah, perfect. Nice. Nice. Perfect. Clears perfectly. Yep. That's how it was. No pressure on the bottom. Nice. It's close, but it goes. Perfect. I like it. Screw that bracket. That's going back right now. Don't need that. They did make a better bracket, like I said, that shifted over so you can still get it, but you can't find them. They wanted like $30 for it. You probably make one yourself. I was thinking about making one myself. It's really not that hard. Good to have aluminum, get a little break. Make something better. I'll just use one bolt even. But then your torque could be uneven then. So you're probably better for two. I just didn't want to screw with the new carburetor and the nuts and all that. Not needed. This is better. Comes off in 2 seconds. Or to replace it. Alright, adios. Cool machine. I'm gonna check how much gas I have in here. So yeah, Honda EU2200i, link in the description. Interested? Although I think Northern Tool has a better deal going on right now. And Hardline tachometer, hour meter tack, also in the description. Company wants to sponsor me. I'm not sponsored at all by this stuff. Go right ahead. I need one from pressure washer. I'll probably have to buy another one, but I won't buy one until that one dies though. There's no point. It is working and very nice though. I wish I bought this for my other one, for the Honda pressure washer. Way more. And did I show you how the thing loops too, to the wire? I'm not sure if I didn't mention it or not, but very